This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now, park safely, engine off, parking brake engaged. You'll locate the tether where it joins the cap or filler neck. This is the weak point to address. Using needle nose pliers and a flat screwdriver, gently flex the cap's retaining tab to create access. The towel catches drips and protects paint. Hold the cap with one hand while you pry with the other so you don't twist the filler's sleeve. Once loosened, make sure you see the tether's knot or clip before moving on. Next, you'll remove the tether hardware. If it's a molded clip, compress the clip's tabs inward with pliers and pull the tether free. If it's a screw, unthread it counterclockwise with the correct screwdriver. For a plastic knot, push the knot's head through the cap hole while feeding the tether back through. This requires a firm, steady push to distort the knot enough to slip free. Once done, make sure to keep all small parts. You may need them for reassembly or replacement. To finish, clean the cap and filler neck with a rag. Debris causes poor seals. Install a new tether or the retained retainer, aligning tabs and tightening screws until snug, do not over-torque. Once installed, you'll test by closing and opening the cap 3 times to confirm smooth action and proper seal. If the tether or clip gets stuck, apply penetrating oil, wait 10 to 15 minutes, then repeat removal steps. This reduces plastic stress and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.